Girl, talk about a full circle moment. What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandraahzhane, and in today's video I'm coming to y'all with yet another hair review. Shout out to my girls over at True Glory Hair. If you do not know, I used to rock with this brand so heavy in high school. I absolutely love their bundles. I'm extremely grateful and so thankful to be working with such an amazing brand, and one that I truly used to stick beside, girl. So shout out to the girls over at True Glory Hair. Thank y'all so much for sponsoring this video. And today they sent over their Virgin Brazilian deep wave lace front wig. We about to get into it, girl. If you want to know how I installed it and how I got it looking this good, just stay tuned for this video. This is one you're not going to want to miss because this is some bomb hair. Alright, y'all, so we hopping straight into the video. I was just showing y'all the box and the pamphlet and everything. This is the unit, y'all. This is a 14-inch Virgin Brazilian deep wave lace front wig from True Glory Hair, and I do have it in a 13x4. It is 150% density, and I'm pretty sure this is light brown lace. Yes, it is. So those are all the details on the wig. This wig did come pre-plugged, by the way. I went ahead and added my Ruby Kisses foundation on the inside. I like to use the number 16 one, and y'all, this is what it was given straight on the head. She's just needs some work. She just needs some styling, so I did go ahead and hot comb the hairline back as well so it can make installing easy for me. And the lace is also pretty light too, so I feel like I almost could have used one shade darker, but I made it work. So I like to just put the unit on my head and kind of size everything and just see if the ball cap is like okay with the unit and everything. So now I'm going ahead and cleaning my hairline with alcohol because I did do my makeup. We're gonna do some slits in the lace so it can make installing easier as well. Again, just sizing everything to make sure it fits, and of course we're cutting the ear tabs out so it can lay flat. We just getting straight into it, y'all. I'm super excited about this install because, like I said in the beginning, y'all, this is like a OG brand for me. Like when they emailed me, I quite literally almost fell out because I just never expected that. So yeah, super grateful. I'm of course gonna be doing 3 layers of my boho active glue. So that's just what I'm telling y'all. I'm also going in sections because I like to apply the glue in sections. It just makes the install easier for me, y'all. So yeah, I'm using my little fan to make sure each layer is dry in between, and I'm doing pretty thin layers. You want to do thin layers so that you can let the glue dry completely clear. I've been learning that, y'all. Sometimes in the past I've let the glue dry like too much and it wouldn't stick, and that was the problem. So as soon as it turned clear, you're good to lay her down. So that's what I'm doing with this middle section, and of course I'm using my comb just to comb the hairs back. But yeah, y'all, like I was saying, this is an OG brand for me, so I'm super excited to be working with them. And I used to stay working their bundles in high school. I kind of almost want to get a sew-in again. Like my first closure sew-in with some of they I think it was like Virgin Indian hair. So freaking good. But I've always loved their Brazilian hair as well. So yeah, I'm just letting this dry. 3 layers, y'all, for each section. And I'm just using the back of my comb, the rat tail comb, to lay the glue. You can use a popsicle stick, girl, whatever you got, to just get that glue smeared out and like thin. And as y'all can see as well, I'm doing pretty like a thick band of glue. I noticed that that's what helps the install stay longer. I hope that makes sense. Every time I try to explain that, I just have a hard time explaining that. But y'all can kind of see how wide my glue actually is. I feel like I'm a visual learner. I don't know about y'all, but yeah. So I'm making that pretty wide so that it's just enough coverage and that it lasts longer instead of doing like a real thin layer of glue, if that makes sense. So yeah, now I'm using this random black elastic band that's actually supposed to go on the back of a wig. So girl, I nearly gave myself a headache trying to put this on. I just need to go get me some more like plain black elastic. But I was basically saying I didn't know how I wanted to style the hair. I was just playing with it. The natural curls on this hair are really pretty. This curl pattern is like a 3A 3B curl pattern, so it's really pretty, really natural. Now I'm going ahead and cutting the lace off. I did have to just part the hair off just a little bit because of the hairline shape. So yeah, this is just where the customizing comes into play. Y'all, I didn't pluck this wig till later, which y'all will see. But honestly, you don't have to pluck it. It came pre-plucked and I did a pretty good job. Trust the process, y'all. I know it looked crazy. The lace is definitely light, but just trust the process. It turned out super cute. So we're cutting all the lace off. And then I had some more pieces to cut off. So I just went in with these little manicure scissors, girl, to get the rest of the lace off. So that is what we're doing here. I'm going back into my makeup on the edges just to get everything looking blended. Do y'all see the difference that made like that fast? Because like I said, this was light brown lace. So yeah, I almost feel like I said though, I could have went a little bit darker, but I made it work, girl. Now we're going in with this Sebastian Shaper Plus hairspray. And I'm using that. I also heard that the girlies are starting to use Tresemme hairspray, and they said that the hold on that is really good as well. Because I was watching this one girl TikTok and she was not lying. Like, I definitely felt what she was saying, and she was basically saying that the Eben, it makes the lace sticky, and it does, y'all. Like, in my experience using that black can of Eben, I was just like, wait a minute, like when it dries down it's sticky. And I guess it makes sense, obviously, because it is a lace adhesive. So I would just use it as like that and nothing else, because it gets the baby hair sticky, the lace be sticky, girl. Yeah, but anyways, I'm going on one half of my head and I'm just showing y'all how I began the plucking process. I did the rest off camera just so we wouldn't be here all day. And now I'm going in with the baby hairs, trying to get them as symmetrical as I can, y'all. And I like to do a little like C shape, like a little curl, as y'all can see. Not a curl, girl, but a C shape when I'm like carving these out is what I'm trying to say. And now I'm going on my Care wax stick to lay everything down before I go in with my hot comb. Y'all know we love a good hot comb and wax stick combo. And when it come down to laying a wig, the combo is just, this combo is necessary. So anyways, I'm going in with my hot comb, which is linked actually in my Amazon storefront. I actually have a lot of hair things linked in my Amazon storefront. Your girl just be forgetting to promote it sometimes, but it's always down in my description box, I believe. Well, it is in this video for sure. I'm pretty sure I have it in there in every video though. If case y'all want to see like what I use and everything, you can just get it straight from there. So after I go ahead and hot comb everything out, y'all see how just flat and laid it's looking already. Like straightening the freaking roots of any type of wig just really goes a long way. And we want that flat look. We don't want that wiggy, you know, helmet head type of vibe. So anyways, y'all get the point. It's flat, it's laid. And now I'm just going in and cutting the little baby hairs that I carved out. I'm also going to be plucking them as well, as y'all can see here. Y'all can just get an idea for like how much I pulled out. And yeah, we're just plucking them so they look more natural. I'm really just with a soft look nowadays. Like, I don't know, like I've been so much of my style and like everything is changing. I don't know if it's because I'm getting older or what, but I just love the soft baby hair look, the real like sparse, not too thick looking. I don't know, don't get me wrong, I'm still here for a dramatic baby hair, but I just like everything to look soft, hence me using my Nairobi foaming lotion to lay these down. And I'm actually going to go in and cut them some more because that's definitely what I wanted to do. But look at that, y'all. Are you kidding me? It's laying like, and y'all can't say that it's not. I really took my time on this install. All you gotta do, girl, is take your time on your install. I promise it makes the world difference. Taking your time with anything versus like just rushing and not caring really goes a long way. So yeah, I'm literally just swooping them. I always like to keep in mind like C shape, C shape, C shape when I'm swooping. That's what gives you just that fluffy look. I just love it. Like, look how soft and fluffy they look. That's the look. And we're going to keep practicing because this is the look that I love. Just get you some foaming lotion, girl, and lay them baby hairs if this is the look that you're going for. So now y'all see me spray a little bit of water. We going in with some more foaming lotion, and that's what I'm using to define the curls. And girl, I was generous with it. Okay, I wanted to get it through all, like, throughout all of the hair and just make sure that every curl was defined. I even went in, parted the hair a little bit because I really wanted the curls to be defined. I wanted everything to look flat and sleek and neat. So that is what we were going for. Of course it's going to get big a little bit as it dries, which I didn't mind because it just gave it a super pretty natural look. Of course, I'm going in with some more of my Ruby Kisses, number 16, and I'm using the darkest shade the whole entire time. I'm going to go in with some mascara to clean up my part after, you know, I put the makeup in the part as well. And y'all, we're almost done. Like, it really didn't take us no time. When you got some curly hair, girl, all you got to do is define the curls and just hot comb it out. And the styling is really done. But this is what we were giving the girls. I think it was really, really pretty, y'all. Like, look at how it turned out. I'm super happy with it. At first, when I saw that I was getting a 14-inch curly wig, I was like, wait a minute, girl. It's been a minute since I went like with some short curly hair. But y'all, a little just sitting down, taking my time and styling it, it turned out so cute. Not to mention, this hair was bomb. Super soft for one. I mean, it speaks for itself, but I forgot to tell y'all, the hair was super duper soft. And while I was washing this wig, when I tell you I got about 2 strands, I'm not even exaggerating. I got about 2 strands of hair throughout my entire washing process. And girl, I shampooed it twice and I conditioned it. Okay, so the shedding was very, very, very minimum to none. And that's on everything that I love, girl, like for real. But this is so good, y'all. I will have everything linked down below for y'all, of course. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much, Shoot Glory Hair, for sponsoring this video. High school me is still crying and gagging as we speak. Like, she is just so happy on the inside. Like, this meant a lot to me. Because like I said, y'all, I used to really just, this was a ride or die brand for me. Like, faithfully spent my money with them. So yeah, shout out to them. Like I said, I will have all the links and everything down below for y'all, where y'all can see like each and every detail of the hair. And of course, it comes in longer lengths if you are interested. And y'all, this is some good hair. It's version, y'all. Version hair. We ain't dealing with no little cheap nothing, okay? This is some good hair. So definitely invest. Hit the links down below. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.